Ever heard of ServiceTitan? This software is a big deal in the home services industry, powering businesses like plumbers, electricians, and HVAC companies. But here's the burning question. Is ServiceTitan a publicly traded company? Meaning, can you buy its stock on the stock market? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get to the public company question, let's quickly understand what ServiceTitan actually does. At its core, it's a cloud-based software platform designed specifically for home service businesses. Think of it as an all-in-one solution. It helps companies manage everything from scheduling and dispatching to customer communication and even marketing. ServiceTitan offers a suite of tools that streamline operations. For example, they have features for scheduling and dispatching, easily schedule appointments, optimize technician routes, and track job progress in real time. Customer relationship management, CRM, manage customer information, track communication history, and build stronger client relationships. Marketing and sales, run targeted marketing campaigns, generate leads, and close more deals. Financial management, handle invoicing, payments, and payroll all within the platform. Mobile app, technicians can access job information, update progress, and communicate with customers directly from the field. Essentially, ServiceTitan aims to increase efficiency, improve customer satisfaction, and ultimately boost the bottom line for home service businesses. Now, back to our original question. Is ServiceTitan a public company? The public company question. While ServiceTitan has achieved impressive growth and success in the home services industry, it is not currently a publicly traded company. This means you cannot buy shares of ServiceTitan stock on any major stock exchange like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or the Nasdaq. ServiceTitan remains a privately held company. This means it's owned by a select group of investors, such as founders and early investors. The individuals who initially invested in the company often retain significant ownership. Venture capital firms. These firms provide funding to high-growth companies in exchange for equity. Private equity firms. These firms typically acquire existing companies and aim to improve their performance before potentially selling them or taking them public. So why hasn't ServiceTitan gone public yet? There could be several reasons. Focus on growth. The company may be prioritizing rapid growth and expanding its market share rather than the short-term demands of being a public company. Maintaining control. Founders and early investors may want to maintain control over the company's direction and long-term strategy. Favorable private market conditions. The private equity market can offer attractive valuations and flexible funding options for high-growth companies. It's important to note that this situation can change. Many privately held companies eventually choose to go public through an initial public offering, IPO. This allows them to raise significant capital from the public markets, which can be used for further expansion, acquisitions, or to reward early investors. However, there's no guarantee that ServiceTitan will ever go public. The decision ultimately rests with the company's leadership and its current investors. The future of ServiceTitan. Despite not being publicly traded, ServiceTitan continues to be a major player in the home services industry. They are constantly innovating and expanding their platform with new features and functionalities. Here are some key factors that contribute to ServiceTitan's success. Strong technology platform. ServiceTitan's software is known for its user-friendliness, reliability, and comprehensive feature set. Focus on customer success. The company prioritizes customer satisfaction and provides excellent support to its clients. Growing market. The home services industry is a large and consistently growing market, creating significant opportunities for ServiceTitan. As technology continues to play an increasingly important role in businesses of all sizes, platforms like ServiceTitan are likely to become even more crucial for home service companies to thrive. Investing in the home services industry. While you can't directly invest in ServiceTitan stock, you can still invest in the broader home services industry. Here are a few options. Invest in publicly traded companies that provide services to the home services industry. This could include companies that supply equipment, materials, or other products to home service businesses. Invest in exchange-traded funds, ETFs. that track the performance of the home improvement or consumer discretionary sectors. These ETFs provide diversified exposure to a basket of companies that operate within these industries. Consider investing in companies that provide technology solutions to other industries. This can give you exposure to similar trends in innovation and growth. It's important to conduct thorough research and consider your own investment goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. 1. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.